Welcome back. Today we are doing a slow cooker dish. It has kielbasa and it has hash browns. So the recipe is down in the description box for your convenience. And let's go put this together. Okay, we have our 6-quart slow cooker. I'm going to take the lid off. We have 1 onion chopped. We're going to throw that in there. Then we have 1 soup can of cheese soup, 10 ounce. And save the can, because that's going to be your exact measurement for your milk. 10 ounces. Now we have pound kielbasa, sliced up. And last we have our frozen hash browns, about 30 ounce bag. Now we're going to stir this up. Pull away from the bottom. You can get some of the potatoes down in there to start, and then start scooping up. Okay, I gave this a rough stir. We're going to cover it, set it on low for 8 hours. Okay, it's been about 8 hours. I gave it a couple stirs during the process. Oh, wow, it looks good. Cheesy mashed potatoes with kielbasa. There you go. All right, let's give it a try. This is scalding hot. So the potatoes has a cheesiness to it, and you can taste the kielbasa in with the potatoes. I've not touched the kielbasa yet, and I taste it. Let's get one of these slices. Tender, cooked through. This is a beautiful side dish, even if there's meat in it. Doesn't matter. Until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.